Here's the corrugated panel with your 1x3 tape. Each corrugated rail, or excuse me, panel will get 2 per unit, each taking 12 pieces of tape on the rail. And just disperse them evenly along the rails on the outside. Again, this tape is double-sided. Remove one side adhesive, put it on the rail. Remove the outside tape to make sure that the adhesive is on the outside as well. Okay, corrugated panel. It's obviously with the showing on the outside. Start at the bottom, smooth it out, run it along the rail. Repeat on the other side of the outside rail for a total of 2. PDQ.